welcome back to today's video. We're going to be painting the mini bike finally. We're going to be going with that gloss black like I've been saying throughout the videos. So let's get started. Alright guys, so I wiped it down. Everything is wiped down so that all the wax or my oil from my skin is off, and the paint adheres a little bit better. It's cleaned up. So let's get started, man. How it is right now. Almost done. I'm gonna let it dry real quick so I flip it over and get the bottom. But this is how it's coming out. Let it dry and we'll come back. Alright guys, it's been like more than an hour, I kind of forgot. But this is how it's looking. Time for a second coat time. Let's go. Did a second light coat, just a little bit light, and then we're gonna let it dry, and then we'll flip it over and do the bottom, everything on the bottom. So yeah, let's go. Alright guys, we are back outside. I gotta paint the bottom, and then we're done. Let's go. We got that first bottom coat layer on. Here it is. Here we go. We'll let it dry for an hour and I'll come back. Okay guys, I kind of forgot to record me putting on that second coat on the bottom, but here it is. It's been drying for a couple hours now in the sun. So that's it for today, guys. This is a whole paint job. There is a bit of trash in the paint. I mean, it was a bit windy earlier, so but who cares? Just a rattle can job, and it's the bottom, so you won't ever really see the bottom. But here it is. It did come out really good, nice and glossy. I'm gonna let it keep drying out here, so that when I put it inside, it's all nice and dry. And yeah, thank you guys. See you in the next one.